Ayan na. Guys, ayan na. I-unboxing na natin siya, no? Okay. Kapit siya, guys. At dito. Ganun dito yung isa. Okay. Ayan, nakatanggal na siya, oh. Ito. Tanggal pala. Tanggal. Okay, tanggal na. So, papako ko muna siya dito, guys, para matanggal ko na maayos. Ayan. Unboxing ng Samsung. Okay. So yun guys, makita niyo siya. Ayan. Ayan na siya guys. Meron siyang 20 years warranty. 20 years warranty. Digital. Kung makita niyo sa guys, digital. Ayan, digital. Gusto natin. Yan, may digital inverter siya guys. Ayan. Tapos nandito yung kanyang ayan, yung kanyang manual guys. Ayan. Yung kanyang manual. Ayan. So kakabit na natin yung hose sa likod guys. Magamit na kasi ang dami labahin. So ba natin na konti. Yan. So testing natin siya kung gagana siya. Sasak natin siya guys. Ito yung ano niya guys. Sasaksak natin siya. We will put electric power. So we and see guys, may sounds na siya ngayon. Yung merong lumabas yung mga digital numbers. And then sasalpa ko naman ngayon yung host niya. Okay. At niready ko na rin yung host niya guys. Para sasalpa ko na. Testingin natin kung gagana. Kailangan ito mahigpit-higpit kasi delikado kapag nabasa yung kanyang it must be tightened for the water will not speed out and there will be no problem about electric shock. So here guys, so I will open now the water. Okay. Oh yeah, it's there. So wait. I will test. Can you give me some dress there? Testing if it's working or not. get all the dress, dirty clothes. Sorry.
Lagay mo.
Please. So I will test this one, this new washing machine.
Just open first.
I opened already. I just put already the electricity, the water, and the hose, drain hose, and the armpit. The armpit is not good. So we have, you have the soap net, so we can try this one. I'll give you more.
Tagalog ka na lang.
Tagalog na lang daw, sabi ni Mrs. Pang international.
Meron naman yan.
Okay.
Put the
Put the
powder soap there, you know.
the powder soap is in front of you.
Yung siya lagay sa ganun.
Okay. So guys, nandito yung detergent. See? The detergent, no? Pwede mo siyang ilagay ng
Yung isa.
dito.
Ito.
Pwede, sa liquid soap or
Ito. Ilagay mo yung pareho.
yes. So yun guys.
Here.
Ako direct ko na nilalagay.
Look.
Yan. Saka yung liquid pabango. Ayan.
Ano yan ilagay sa ganun?
Yes, okay, I know. So I like this one. Okay. 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 So now I will test it.
Yung quick.
Quick. So I will choose quick,
Wait,
Quick.
me. How about the water level?
Water level. I don't know.
Give me. Also,
Can you put? can you operate? If I were you, turn it up again and then restart. Okay, now put the new water level. Oh, the water level is until what? 4 or 7?
or until 10.
10. Okay, so 7 is enough, right? Yeah. Quick wash.
Yeah, how to, ano? Paano to?
The problem is she didn't read the manual. That's why. So yeah, normal. Try first normal. Later on you can.
There. There. Okay.
Okay. You see now? Okay, now start. Okay, let's see it will start. Come. And we will check if it is starting. So guys, ayan na guys, kita nyo, it's starting now guys. Ayan na, umiikot na siya. May plastic pa guys. May plastic pa. See? Oh, napaka-sensitive pala niya. Kunti angat lang dito. Later na lang tatanggalin yung plastic guys. Ay, diretso. Ayun na, nag-automatic na siya. Okay. Yan, may katawa siya. So ayan guys, ito na yung bagong ano yung washing machine. Okay. Unbox yung washing machine. Okay. Bye bye guys. See you again.